Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog! Ngayon naman, samahan niyo ako sa isang road trip dito sa Rizal sa sikat na Pililla Windfarm o mas kilala bilang Pililla Windmills.
Welcome to Pililla Windmills!
Did you know the province of Rizal used to be a jumble of parts from the old province of Tondo during the Spanish colonial era and the province of Laguna? The Rizal province is named after our national hero, Jose Rizal. Rizal province is adjacent to Metro Manila, making its location highly accessible. It is surrounded by the Laguna Lake on the south and the mountain range on the east. Rizal province has 13 municipalities and one city, Antipolo, which is also the provincial capital.
After namin mag-camping sa Montana Hill, andito naman kami ngayon sa Pililla Windfarm o mas kilala bilang Pililla Windmills. Akala nyo ba na ang Ilocos Norte lang ang mayroong windmills? Dito rin sa Pililla.
Pililla was chosen because of its strong and consistent wind coming from the Sierra Madre Mountains and Laguna de Bae. Pililla is located south of Rizal, bordering Laguna, and is one of its oldest towns, founded in 1583.
Ang Pililla ay 2 hours away lang sa Metro Manila. Ang Pililla Windmills is composed of 27 giant turbines that can generate 54 megawatts. It could help also 66,000 households annual.
Pililla literally means pilang munti or small pila. Its earlier name was Pila before it became Pilang Murong as a visita of the town Murong. It was then separated to the latter and was again called Pila, but the suffix Ilia was given to differentiate it to the bigger town of Pila in Laguna province, thus the name Pililla. Did you know that the Philippines is actually the first ASEAN country to develop on-grid wind power? We are the pioneer of the wind energy in the region, and by the looks of it, we might become the wind capital of Southeast Asia. The Rizal Wind Farm is located in Barangay Halayhayin in the municipality of Pililla in Rizal Province. The Rizal Wind Farm is estimated to be able to generate almost 150 gigawatt hours of electricity yearly. 1 gigawatt hour is equal to 1,000 megawatt hour, which in turn is equal to 1 million kilowatt hour. Aside from producing clean energy, the site has become a popular destination for bikers, road trippers, and photographers because of its panoramic views of Laguna de Bae and surrounding mountains. If you're looking for a quick escape from the city with fresh air, amazing views, and eco-friendly vibe, Pililla Windfarm is definitely worth the trip. Not only will you enjoy the scenery, you will also learn how important renewable energy is for our future. Alright, that is for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you on the next one. Bye!